Welcome to The Explainer. I'm absolutely pumped you're hanging out with us today because we're looking at something that is literally rewiring how businesses operate online. For years, customer support has just been seen as this giant cost center, right? Just a necessary expense to keep people from getting too mad. But what if it wasn't? What if every single time a customer reached out, it was actually a chance to generate revenue? Today, we're unpacking Meta's AI agent for WhatsApp Business and how it's radically transforming customer engagement. We're moving away from just reactive troubleshooting and getting into proactive, autonomous commerce that actually makes money.
Okay, let's dive into this, because this number is just bananas. By 2031, the conversational commerce market is projected to hit a mind-blowing $22.6 billion, and it's growing at over 12% every single year. That kind of massive investment, it tells us exactly where the puck is going. Look, billions of people are already on WhatsApp every single day chatting with their friends and family. Now, they want that exact same instant, rich communication from the brands they buy from. So if you want to capture the customers of tomorrow, you really have to start building these conversational experiences today.
So to really wrap our heads around this shift, let's define exactly what we're talking about here. Agentic Commerce. Now, I need you to do me a favor and completely forget about those clunky, frustrating chatbots from 5 years ago. You know the ones, right? Where they just gave you a rigid menu and sent you in circles? No, this is a massive paradigm shift. We're talking about proactive, highly intelligent AI agents that act autonomously for you. They can tackle really complex questions, personalize interactions using your customer data, and honestly, the best part, they qualify leads and actually close deals 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
So here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the Agentic Commerce boom. Then we'll dive into a real-world case study with a brand called Wind & Wool. Third, we'll explore automating orders and recommendations. And finally, we'll get into the nuts and bolts of building your own AI agent.
All right, let's kick things off with part one, the Agentic Commerce boom.
The urgency for businesses to adopt this tech right now cannot be overstated, and this brilliantly illustrates the massive leap we're making. The old way, traditional conversational commerce, was mostly just simple chats and totally reactive support. Somebody has a problem, you fix it, and boom, the transaction is over. But agentic commerce? That is a deeply integrated, autonomous machine. It handles top-of-funnel discovery, like imagine AI-enabled ads that click straight into WhatsApp, and then it smoothly walks that user all the way down to a high-intent sales conversation. The AI is in there suggesting products, handling objections, and doing the whole shebang around the clock.
Moving right along to part two, let's look at a case study, Wind & Wool. So Wind & Wool is this incredible, sustainable fashion brand. They started out in a small studio and just saw this explosive growth on Instagram. But hey, with hypergrowth comes hyperfriction, right? For them, every single minute a customer waits for a reply is a potential lost sale. They were dealing with huge inquiry volumes and just a really messy mix of in-house and vendor solutions in their tech stack. It called massive operational bottlenecks. Managing complex customer support queries became incredibly tough, and frankly, prospective sales were just slipping right through their fingers because they couldn't respond fast enough.
Which brings us perfectly to part three, automating orders and recommendations. This is where Meta's AI agent stepped in and became a total game changer for them. It solved these pain points by integrating directly into Wind & Wool's existing tech stack. And the way they did it is so smart. They grounded their Meta AI agent in 10 years of their own specific business knowledge, and then connected it straight to their WhatsApp catalog. We're talking over 500 products in different sizes and colors. So now, the AI isn't just a basic FAQ bot. It's literally acting like a personal shopper. It provides personalized styling and product recommendations. It seamlessly packages this massive catalog and the unique brand voice into a super fast, rich messaging experience. I mean, it can even book real-world appointments with their human stylists. How cool is that?
Now let's talk about the single most common, high-friction question in the entire history of retail. You guessed it, where's my order? Normally, this is just a dead-end support ticket. It drains a human agent's time, it frustrates the customer, and it just costs the business money. But when you have deep system API integration, Agentic Commerce completely flips this on its head.
So when a customer asks that question on WhatsApp, this automated sequence triggers instantly. First, the AI uses a check order status tool that pulls directly from the business's API. Second, it instantly gives the customer a real-time, accurate delivery update. But third, and this is absolutely crucial for scaling your revenue, it doesn't just stop there. It proactively offers a discount code if there's a delay, or it upsells a complimentary product based on what they just bought. It instantly turns a simple, boring tracking query into a frictionless, revenue-generating opportunity.
Now, obviously, AI can't do absolutely everything perfectly yet.
And that's exactly why this strategy is so important. For brands like Wind and Wool, when the AI agent hits a really complex query, or maybe a tricky styling objection it just can't quite figure out, it seamlessly hands the conversation right over to a human. But the magic is that it does so with full context. The human agent doesn't have to start from scratch and ask the customer to repeat themselves. This massively improves operational efficiency because your human team is only spending their valuable time on the high-level, complex issues that genuinely require that human touch.
Let's move to part 4 and see how this actually builds. Section 4, Building Your AI Agent.
Okay, so how do you actually execute this on the technical side? If you're a developer, the programmatic access flow is super structured and secure. First up, you create a system user in Meta Business Suite. Next, you assign that user permissions for both your developer app and your WhatsApp account. Third, you generate an access token. That gives you all the necessary business management and messaging permissions. And finally, using your WhatsApp Business phone number ID, you make a post call to the Agent Onboarding API. That kicks off the creation jobs, and boom, your agent is initiated. Once your agent is up and running, you have to train it. And honestly, Meta has made it incredibly easy to just use the assets you already have. You can feed this AI text, FAQs, PDF training documents, and even website URLs that actually sync automatically when you update them. It also pulls directly from your connected product catalogs, but my absolute favorite part is the built-in conflict management system. Let's say you upload an old PDF that has an outdated store location, but your synced website has the new one. The AI automatically manages that conflict and makes sure it uses the most accurate, up-to-date information. It's literally doing the fact-checking for you.
The technology to turn your customer messaging from a slow, reactive support channel into a 24/7 autonomous revenue engine is sitting right in front of us today. So the question I want to leave you with is this: what workflows could your business automate tomorrow to stop missing leads? Seriously, think about the friction points in your own customer journey right now. By embracing agentic commerce, you aren't just saving a little time, you are actively capturing the future of digital business. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. It's been a blast, and I'll see you next time.